Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can use Jenni AI. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First go to the link jenniai.com. Once you open the link, scroll it down and read all about the website. If you want to know more about the pricing, just simply click on that. So with their free plan, they provide you with 200 words per day. They also have monthly and annual package. Monthly, you can get unlimited words for just only paying $20, or you can even get 40% off an annual subscription. Then click on the Start for Free button. After that, sign up with a Google account or just simply complete all the requirements they need for creating an account. After signing up for the account, enter the text that you want. Once you complete writing, select the outline builder, and after that click on Start Writing. After that, click on the Upgrade button at the top right corner. Now at the bottom you have various options to edit your essay, that you can create a new document. Furthermore, in Documents you see Untitled, an Overview and User Manual. Click on the page that has given a suggestion and click to accept or create an alternative using Control. By using Control and J on the bottom, you can edit your text like text font size. You have another option like Redoing Undo. If you have an option to add images, you can export your document from the top right. Also, you have other options like settings to adjust. If you want to upgrade, just simply click on this option. And that's how you can use Jenni AI. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.